The last excuse me, the last thing you guys are going to need, I think, before you get into the colorization of the floor plan and assigning your rooms and everything like that, is to actually cut out that gap in the second floor. So what you're going to see here is the second floor wall, or rather the second floor plate, I should say, stops here at a guardrail. And then there's this little X that goes across the stair and this little open space that says open to below. So that's basically like a second floor sort of foyer or mezzanine, I should say, sorry. That extends up into the second floor area. So like anything else in Revit, it's just a profile-based thing. So you don't have to like create a void or anything like that. You can just cut that edge out, and then there's not going to be a floor there. So you go to edit the boundary. You literally can just kind of yank this wall over, and then just continue to draw the profile around. And then I'm going to delete that front edge and then use my trim extend on this edge. This one's no longer necessary. And then hit check. Okay, so now my second floor plate only extends to there.
Sounds good, Kevin.
All right. We're going to get to stairs at some point, but we don't really need it to set up our second floor schematic floor plan yet. So yeah, just get to this level. Another thing I just want to point out is don't worry about this roof thing right now. I'll get us to that point at some point. I need to figure out what's going on with those roof slopes. I'm pretty sure the roof slopes and the roof plan are wrong, but you're just going to have a wall that sticks around here most likely.